Hey everyone, it's Sarfaraz. Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle, right? We've all been there. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be a grueling, flavorless journey? Today we're diving into 5 low-calorie foods that will help you shed those extra pounds and tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to discover your new favorite foods. Let's jump right in. First up, we have a superhero in the leafy green world, spinach. This veggie is your best friend when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. Spinach is incredibly low in calories. A whole cup of raw spinach has only about 7 calories. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A and C, iron and fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. You can toss it into your salads, blend it into your smoothies, or even sauté it with some garlic for a delicious side dish. Trust me, once you start incorporating spinach into your meals, you'll be amazed by how much flavor it adds without adding extra calories. Next on our list is a food that's as refreshing as it is low in calories: cucumbers. These green wonders are like nature's own hydrating snack. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water, which means they're incredibly low in calories and super hydrating. Slice them up for a refreshing snack, toss them into your salads, or even infuse your water with them for a spa-like experience right at home. Trust me, cucumber water is a game changer. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding some lemon or mint for an extra burst of flavor. Cucumbers are a great way to add volume and hydration to your meals without racking up the calories. Let's talk about everyone's favorite strawberries. These little red gems are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to weight loss. Strawberries are naturally low in calories, so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without feeling guilty. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. Strawberries make a fantastic snack on their own. Add them to your yogurt, or blend them into your smoothies for a refreshing treat. And if you're feeling a little fancy, try dipping them in dark chocolate for an antioxidant-rich dessert. Let's talk about a food that's a staple in many healthy diets: Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is a powerhouse of nutrition and a secret weapon for weight loss. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and incredibly low in calories, making it perfect for keeping you full and satisfied. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Enjoy it plain with some fresh fruit, add it to your smoothies, or use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream in your recipes. Greek yogurt is a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs while keeping those cravings at bay. Last but not least, let's talk about a vegetable that's as versatile as it is nutritious: carrots. These crunchy wonders are low in calories and packed with fiber and beta-carotene. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and can help you feel fuller for longer, which is a huge plus when you're trying to lose weight. Carrots are perfect for snacking on the go, adding to your salads, or incorporating into your cooked dishes for a boost of flavor and nutrition. From roasted carrots to carrot soups to carrot cakes, yes, you heard that right, carrot cakes can be healthy. The possibilities are endless. Carrots are a delicious and convenient way to add more nutrients and fiber to your diet while keeping those cravings in check. So there you have it, 5 delicious and low-calorie foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these foods into your daily diet, whether it's adding spinach to your smoothies, snacking on cucumbers, or enjoying Greek yogurt with berries. Portion control is also important, even with healthy foods. Listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not overly full. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite low-calorie foods? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and happy, and